Here's a pair of the T09 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put in a pairing mode, how to connect to one device, then how to connect to another device, and then how to factory reset these. So the first thing is let's connect to my iPhone here, iPhone 16e here. iPhone 16e that is. Okay. So what I want to do first is I want to go to my settings on my iPhone, and then I'm going to go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And that little spinny thing down there you see, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that's near me, and it'll show up down here. So let's put these in pairing mode. Let's go ahead and open the case up, and it says pairing. And only one of the lights is blinking blue, red, blue, red. So that indicates it's pairing. Only one of the earbuds would blink blue, red, blue, red. Okay, so we get one. So obviously it's in pairing mode. And what do you know? It did find the T09s right down there. Let's tap on that. Voila, we're connected on this iPhone now, all right? So now, let's say we want to connect to a different device. You can connect to your computer or your TV, or in this case, we're going to connect to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here, okay? So now I want to connect to this phone here, okay? Remember, I'm already paired and connected to this iPhone here, so I want to connect to this phone now. So let's put this in a pairing mode first. Let me open these up. And it says pairing, and then it says connected, and it doesn't blink blue, red, which indicates in pairing mode. So it's not in pairing mode. And the reason why it's not is because, remember, it's connected to this iPhone. It's paired and connected to this iPhone here, okay? So what do I got to do to put this in pairing mode? Well, I have to go to my iPhone here, and I can go to settings again, and I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can tap down here, the info, and I can disconnect, I can disconnect or forget this device. Okay, if I do any of those three, it'll automatically go into pairing mode. And I just disconnected by accident, but you can see it is now blinking blue, red. So now it's in pairing mode. So now we can go ahead and connect to my Samsung phone here. We're gonna go to the settings here, connections, Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on there. That spinny thing there, now searching for devices in pairing mode, and it would show up down here under available devices. Still in the pairing mode, blinking blue, red. It did pop up, T09's right there. I'll tap on that. With Android phones, you'll get a pairing request. Just tap on pair. And it says connected, and voila, we're connected and ready to go on this phone now. Now, let's say, let's do a factory reset on these, okay? You want to do a factory reset maybe because one of them's not working, or it keeps disconnecting, maybe it's out of sync, maybe you hear static, and so on, okay? So, now I'm going to go ahead and factory reset these, okay? But first, I have to go to the phone where I'm currently paired to, okay? So this is the phone that I'm paired to, and I want to go ahead and connect back to this phone here. So I need to go into the settings on this Samsung phone here, connections. I'm going to go back to my Bluetooth here, and remember I was paired here to T09, so I have to completely remove or delete it from here, okay? So I'm going to tap on the settings button right there, and I'm going to tap on unpair, basically deleting it. If you're on an iPhone, it would be forget this device, all right? But anyway, I'll tap on unpair. Now it's gone, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and grab these earbuds. We're going to go ahead and open these up. We're going to take them out now. We're going to take them out. We're going to wait a few seconds, all right? And now next thing we're going to do is we're going to press and hold one of these earbuds until we hear that it's turning off, okay? We'll have to hold for maybe about like 10 seconds, okay? But we'll do it together. I'm just going to hold one of these here. Ready? I'll hold this one here. Ready? Go. It just said power off, okay? So now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab both of them, and we're going to put them back into the case. Close the lid, and they say you want to count to 10 seconds. So wait 10 seconds. And now, after 10 seconds, you open them back up. They should go into pairing mode where it's blinking blue, red. And then it blinked blue, red. So the reset is done, and I can rescan this back, and I can connect back to this phone or another device or whatnot. So pretty simple. Questions or issues, comment below.